Now I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process. So first is how we can manage the clients. So in order to do that, we have to add the new user to our profile. So how we can do that is by clicking on this add new user button. Once we do that, we can put in any of the unique identification number to create their profile, or we can use their personal phone number or their email ID. Put in the user ID and click on the submit button. Once it's done, you will get two options. One is copy URL. By copying the URL, you can share this link to the clients via WhatsApp and they can themselves create their profile. Or else you can click on this edit user profile button. By clicking on it, you will get the screen of capturing all the information that we generally need to create the diet plan for a client. So you can fill this information on the first consultation call and make sure whatever options are marked as mandatory, you have to compulsory fill these columns so that we can create their diet plan. So here is an example of how the user profile can be created. Once you do that, you click on the update profile button. Then it asks you the confirmation alert. Whatever the details you have filled is right or not, as based on this only the client's diet plan will be created in the future. Once you click on the yes button, then the client's profile will get created. And if in case you're filling the information from your end, then this information automatically gets aligned with the client's profile and they don't have to create their profile at their end then. Second, in order to capture whatever information you are asking from the clients on the first consultation call, we have a window of Q&A under the profile section. Once you click on the Q&A option, this is how the screen looks like. This screens asks you to manage all the client information that you generally ask, as in what is the current profession, their eating habits, if they work out or not, any of their past history of medical conditions or past history of following any kind of a diet, and also a remark section where you can capture any extra information that you're asking from the client. Once you capture all the information, click on the save button. This information can be edited anytime in the future based on the follow-up calls of the client. Thirdly, we also have an option of capturing the client's blood parameters. So under health parameters, you can do the same. So once you click on the health parameters window, this is how it looks like. You can capture their basic parameters like weight, blood pressure, blood glucose levels, and cholesterol. You can, as per the date, maintain their record. And here, the records will come. So in the future, whenever you want to monitor their progress, how well they are doing, you can keep on updating their records and you can see the summary of how the client has shown their progress. So with all this client information at your end, you can very much customize the diet plans of the client easily. So stay tuned for series 3 where I will be guiding you how you can create the customized diet plan for the client.